One disruptive digital change after the other, from IoT to edge cloud to 5G. Everything is changing and changing fast. Is your network equipped to evolve, to survive in a whole new world? Obsolete legacy network architectures were designed for an era of telecom that is to be gone. Holding on to the past comes with a host of complications, like stacks of obsolete protocols, error-prone manual processes, and vendor lock-in. In the new world of new applications and use cases with ever-changing service performance demands, end users, humans and machines, require more than just bandwidth. They require flexibility in performance, and they need network infrastructure to align with constantly evolving application demands. And you need a trusted networking company with field-proven credibility to be successful in this new era. IP networks will inevitably become more complex and dynamic with the densification and adoption of technologies like edge computing and telco cloud, needed to support new applications such as 5G, IoT, X-reality, and cloud gaming. With the IP technology moving deeper into the network, the number of IP nodes to install, maintain, and troubleshoot will grow exponentially closer to the user. Network operators need a way to deliver standard-based IP differently. Keeping your needs in mind, Ciena created Adaptive IP Solution to successfully evolve your IP network from access to metro by offering a simpler architecture that is automated, open, and lean. With Ciena's Adaptive IP, you can address your network requirements for India's fast-growing digital ecosystem. You can build, operate, and maintain services to support existing and new applications while reducing overall network cost and complexity. Improve your network maintenance and troubleshooting, accelerate your time to revenue, and maximize overall network availability. With Adaptive IP, you can take advantage of real-time data-driven insights into ongoing network performance to ensure strict service-level agreements, intelligently automate the entire life cycle of services, and simplify operations. Ciena follows open standards, meaning you pick and choose when and where to evolve your network infrastructure and services. We have the experience and the expertise. Our routing and switching portfolio has evolved in response to the needs of our customers all over the world. Our routing and switching platforms power the mobile backhaul and aggregation networks of the largest operators in the United States and India. We have a special relationship with India. A significant amount of the design and development of our X-Hall router portfolio happens here. We have created technologies based on common use cases in India. Our routing and switching platforms are already being used by the 4 leading network service providers in India. Our core strengths include more than a decade of experience with merchant silicon powered by Ciena's microservices-based service-aware operating system. Our multi-vendor intelligent automation platform, leveraging machine learning-based analytics tools. More than 1,250 local R&D engineers to support you for developing use cases. Meet the unpredictable changes in India with Adaptive IP. Get your network future-ready with Ciena.